Hi, it's Christy, and I'm back with an unboxing. This one's from Lovecraft, from the UK. And I'm going to slice the tape right now because I haven't opened it yet. It came yesterday and it was on the porch. When I got home, I didn't have time to tape, so I said I'm not going to open that until I can do it on video. So here we go. This is pretty big. I have no idea what I ordered. I can't remember. Anyway, let's see how to. I think I'm gonna put it on the chair. Yep, that's the way I'm gonna do it. Yep. Okay, so here's the invoice. Now I remember they sent me special discount for first time buyer, which was nice. And then they had some sales going on, so I ended up getting quite a few things because I think I used 3 different coupons. I had one for first time buyer, then one for, and that first time buyer was the whole sale, and including sale items. So you had your sale items discount, your first time buyer discount, and another code for shipping. So I think that's why I said this is too good to pass up. So I ended up with, and there's no prices on here. No prices, no nothing. So I don't know what I spent. But anyway, these yarns are bagged in bags like this. Isn't that cool? So there are 4 bags in here. So you know what? I'm just going to start right in and open one of these up. Ooh, they're so pretty. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to reuse these bags in one of my swaps. Ooh. Okay, well, I'm trying to figure out how many of each I would have gotten so that if they bagged them in the same bags or not. No, see, they didn't. Okay, so all right, so let's go to the first one. The first one is a natural dye double knitting from Stylecraft called Eskimo. 100% polyester, and it's a fun fur. That's what I call them, fun fur. This one is an eyelash, actually. Very nice. This is calling me to do edging on something. Maybe doubling it to make it even thicker. I watched somebody's video this morning that had an edging with lambkin from ice, and it was really cool. So I think that's what this would be, and I got 2 of them. Really pretty, really pretty. I like those. All right, so the next thing I got, ooh, yes, this is a red heart, one that I wanted to try, and it's called, and believe it or not, I got it from Lovecraft. It's called Italian Story, and I think that's pronounced Luce. This one happens to be the navy. Now, why I wanted to try this so badly, and I never got a chance to get it because I could only get it online, was it's a 4-ply hand wash in cold water. It has lots of information. 46% nylon, 28% acrylic, 20% mohair, 6% polyester. 218 yards in a skein. It has a sequence through it, and it has the mohair, both. So I just thought this was the prettiest thing. I didn't know what color to get at first, but then I thought, you know, I'm always getting maroon or something. Let's get a navy, something different for winter. So I got 2 of those. Beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to use this. And these even come with a little, so pretty. Yes, Red Heart Italian Story. Okay, so then the next one in this bag, and the last one, is a Stylecraft Cozy. It's a chunky. This one says, I gotta turn it upside down to read it, 100 grams. The color in this one is dusk, and it has a shimmer. It's a gradient, but it has a, let's see if I can read everything here. The tag goes around the inside. Okay, let's see here. 59% acrylic, 15% metallic, which is also polyester, 14% alpaca, 12% polyamide, 213 meters, 233 yards. Button Cowl is calling me on that one. See what I mean about me buying maroons? I do buy maroons a lot. Mauve, I think, is probably my favorite color. Even though I say I like purple, I still like mauves. This is really nice. I think I got 1 of those. Yep, just 1. I'm gonna put these back in the bag, and then go on to the next bag. Now, this 1 skein of this was in this bag, and the other 3 that match it are in a different bag. So we'll just go ahead and talk about this one. This one's called Rico Baby. It says Classic Glitz DK. It has a shimmer to it too. You can see that. 165 meters, 48% polyacrylic, 48% polyamide, 4% polyester. So we're talking soft, and it's a DK, so it's 3-ply. Very nice. I got 4 of those, and I'm thinking a baby sweater with those. So I'm bring up another bag and open that and take the 3 out that matched. Very interesting things are falling out of this bag. Okay, so let's see. 1 for you, 1 for me. Hooked Milano. This one's, I don't even know what this is. It's Orchid. Euro. Eco-friendly. This is the cotton. That's what it is. It's a cotton, and that's how they wrap it. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. You can use it right out of there because they give you the end. It's actually like wrapped, so it won't unwrap. This is shrink wrapped on there. Well, that is cool. So I got 2 of these cottons. Boy, this doesn't cost anything to ship this size. What is the size? I don't know. I'm gonna say my eyes are not gonna read this. 50 grams is all I can read. Most of the stuff is so tiny. 80% cotton and 15% recycled fibers. So yeah, that's they're mini balls of cotton. All right, that was cool. Okay, the next one I got is a blossom. It looks like our blossom. Looks just alike to the peach color Premier Blossom, and it feels really, really soft. Oh my goodness sakes. Baby Blossom DK. Machine washable, cool, tumble dry by Sirdar Spinning. 70% acrylic, 30% nylon, 30% polyamide, 362 yards in a skein. I'll make a sweater out of that too. Beautiful. Ooh. This little bit of eyelash for edging on this one. See, that's what happens. It's perfect. It matches the cream because this is cream. Oh, that's cute. Okay, well, that just screams a baby sweater to me. Okay, the next one in here, and the wrapper came off. This one is called Cascade Yarns Pinwheel. Look at that. Greens and golds and oranges. Just gorgeous. Okay, this one has 100% acrylic. 440 yards. This is a, well, you know, if I would have to say what it was, I would say it's a three-way. But let me see if I can find what it says. I'm gonna say it's a DK2, but it just says fine yarn, so I'm not finding the size on this one. But DK is what I think I was trying to buy most of because I hadn't gotten them, and it's as fine, if not finer, than the baby DK one I just showed. And just a hair rougher than I would have thought. 100% acrylic, but that's okay. It'll probably wash out. Machine washable, right? Doesn't say. Interesting. I have to go online and check this out. It says made in China, free patterns at cascadeyarns.com. Have to check this pinwheel out a little more. All right. So, is there any more pinwheel? I only got one of those. Yep. Okay. So the next one, let's put these back in here so we don't drop them all over the place. And boy, very interesting. Now the next ones, I saved these because I really like gradient types yarns, and these are gradient. So this one's called Cabaret. It's a Stylecraft. It says double knitting right on it. Oh my gosh, is this soft. And remember I said something about maroons and mauves? Well, here we go. Look at that. See the sparkle? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. The color's Rose Dawn. It's 98% premium acrylic, 2% polyester, which is your sparkle. This feels just like Hobby Lobby's that I'm using. The gradient one, the 3-ply, I think it's 3-ply gradient. And this one's DK. So how many yards do we have? I don't know. 251. So that is the Rose Dawn. And I don't see any more of that. But I have one in Forest Glade. Same kind. Beautiful. And I was thinking of just doing a shawlette in each one of these. That's why I wanted to try it out, see what it was like. And it's very light, and it's going to make a really nice shawlette. So those two are the same kind. Okay, let me see. I got a lot of yarn in this order. This is not that big a box, but there's a lot of yarn in here. Okay, this one is called Vintage Look by Stylecraft. And I got it because I really like neutrals and vintage colors. And again, there you go. With a lot of that, I like marled and tweeds. I love tweeds. It's going to be really hard to give any up to my friend because we are doing a swap and she loves tweeds. So anyway, this one's 75 acrylic, 25% wool. 326 yards in this one. That's beautiful. Yeah, so I was thinking again of a type of shawlette or maybe a hat. I'm not sure. Probably a shawlette. Oh, wait a second. I got more than one of those. Yep. I got two. So most likely I will be able to do a bigger shawl in that one because that's a lot of, yeah, that's 650 yards. So that's going to be nice. Okay. All right. So then we got this one from King Cole. It's called Shine. Has that silver glitz in there. All right. This is 100 grams. 97% acrylic, 3% polyester, 282 meters, 310 yards. And the shade is Sea Breeze. This one I was thinking of a shawlette also. And this one I'm going to say this is like really light. Like not a winter yarn to me. This is saying spring or fall, you know, more like spring, because it's real light. It says it's a DK, but it feels cottony to me, like really light. So that's pretty. And then I got two of these in Twinkle. There's your maroon again. This Twinkle has several colors of the glitter: gold, blue, silver, pink, and it is 96% acrylic, 4% polyester, machine washable, DK weight, 328 yards, and I got two of them, so again 650 yards. So that's going to be a nice shawlette also. Just probably do a different pattern with more texture. That's very nice. Okay, so then I'm on to the fourth bag. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm impressed. I may have to order again from this company for sure. Very, very beautiful. Okay, there's only two colors of this kind in here. And they packed it so nicely that when you go to pull them out, the bands come off. I was like, I don't want the bands off. Okay, so stop whining. Okay, so sheepish velvet. I may not have said that right, but you know what? You know what it is. Sheepish. Sheep cheese. Okay, so they are Color Crafter. This is Amaro. Bergman is the colorway on this one. Oh, soft. I was surprised to see this was as soft as it was. 300 meters, 100% acrylic. No, you know what? It says velvet. It's a DK. This is going to be a nice something. Probably a shawl. Probably a scarf. A big wraparound scarf or shawl. I've been selling those. Okay, but I got it in 2 colors. So I got it in this purple. Isn't that one pretty? Very nice. And this one's called Burton. Burton. Beautiful yarns in this. Thank you all for joining me for this unboxing. I'm thinking about doing a vlog a day here soon. Not sure how that's gonna go, but I'm gonna try. Hope you all are having a great Sunday and you enjoyed this. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.